Christiana School District, let's talk about home prices. Are they going up? Are they going down? And where are they at now? My name's Zachary Faust. Let's get into it. If you'd like to follow along, this is bright MLS numbers we're sourcing, and we have this sheet ready for you to download on this QR code. No contact information required. You can just follow along as we go through it. Starting in June of 2022, we have 2 years ago, 212 homes hit the market. The following year, 160 homes would hit the market that month. And this past June of 2024, we had 170 homes hit the market. Not the amount we would hope hit the market, as we are seeing a lack of inventory really hit this market. We'll get into that a little bit more, but we are seeing one good sign in terms of inventory, and that's that the inventory is slowly starting to accumulate. So 2 years ago, we had a very interesting stat happen. We had 174 homes that were actively listed on the housing market, actively for sale, ready to go see that day. But that month, June 2022, 212 homes hit the market, which basically means that because the following month, there wasn't a giant increase in inventory, that there were as many homes listed as there were sold. There was less than a month of inventory. That's nuts. June of last year was similar, with 160 homes hitting market, but only 134 homes on the market. Even less opportunity to buy a home just last year. So with a month of inventory for each of those past years, this year is a little bit different, with a month and a half of inventory, with 170 new units listed, similar to last year, a little bit more. But now the inventory has accumulated to where we now have 200 homes that are on the market, much higher than the 130-ish we had just last year. Price points show similar activity. With 2 years ago, we had price points right at $306,900. The following year, we had it at $312,500. And this year, June of 2024, $339,000 was the sold median price for a home listed and sold in the Christiana School District. Now, the price points oftentimes give us a glimpse into what the demand in a housing market is, showcasing how much are people willing to pay to get into a certain area. Now, to give some perspective, a buyer's market and a seller's market can be viewed by the days on market stat. The days on market stat showing how long it takes for a home to sell. You normally want that number to be between 75 and 85 days on market to be in what's called a neutral housing market and getting close to a buyer's housing market, which is when we say 85, 90 plus days being the average amount of time it takes a home to sell. That's 3+ months. Are we seeing similar numbers to taking 3 months to sell in the Christiana School District? Let's see. Well, 2 years ago, it didn't take 3 months to sell a home. No, in June of 2022, it only took 10 days to sell a home. So if you put your home on the market, get ready to move. The following year wasn't much slower. June of 2023, we're at 13 days, just less than 2 weeks. And now in June of 2024, as we sit at the end of July in 2024, we are sitting at 17 days on the market, which pretty much means if your home is getting listed, your home's more than likely selling. And with that, let's get into 2 takeaways for the school district with the best mall in all of Delaware. Takeaway number 1 is white hot demand. It is on fire. The demand is. The amount of units listed could definitely be higher, but with the low amount of homes hitting the market fresh every single month, and with our end of market inventory not accumulating at a massive rate, only 70 homes year over year, though an increase, not a huge one, we're not seeing the supply needed to supply the crazy amount of demand coming from out of state, coming from retirees, coming from relocators looking to scoot across the line from Philly or Jersey. It is happening like clockwork, and the demand is white hot. Which brings me right into takeaway number 2. We need mo homes. We need more properties on the market. We need more options. People looking to buy in this market. If you yourself are looking to the Christiana School District in Newcastle County, you may already feel like when a home hits the market, it is gone. If you want to see a property, too bad. It's already got multiple offers. You want to go to the open house this Sunday and it's Tuesday, best of luck, it might not be available. And if you're feeling that way, the numbers legitimize what you're feeling. But what does that mean moving forward? Moving forward for a homeowner in this school district, I'll tell you, it means that you are holding on to a commodity. You're holding on to a piece of property that will more than likely return more on your investment in the coming years, as we see price points probably continuing to increase in this school district in Newcastle County, above the canal as a whole. And if you're looking to buy in this school district. Let me tell you right now, the sooner the better. It's a tough market to buy in, and it is slowing ever so slightly, but we got this much slowing down to do for it to be the opportune buyer's market. So if you're waiting, you're going to be waiting for a while, because this housing market's on fire. And if you're in the Christiana School District and you want to continue to keep up to date with what's going on with your home, your asset, your property, get this document at the beginning of the video, or subscribe and like to get these updates quarterly, monthly. We love to keep the numbers fresh so you know what's going on with your home. Have a dandy Christiana, Delaware day. My name's Zachary Faust with Loft. Talk to you soon.